Friendly URLs is a new feature of ASP.NET 4.5 that enables your sites to recognize page addresses in more complex ways. To begin this lesson, open the Smart Method Store project from your Sample Files folder. And open global.asax. And look at the code in the application Start event handler. rootconfig.registerRoots refers to some code in a file called rootconfig.cs that is in the app_start folder. Open rootconfig.cs from the app_start folder now. And the code you can see in this file enables the friendly URLs features. Without this code, none of the friendly URLs features will work. Because this code is called through global.asax, it is slightly obfuscated that the method that is being called is system.web.routetable.enableFriendlyURLs. The first feature of friendly URLs is that it enables your pages to be accessed without needing the .aspx extension. View default.aspx in your web browser and using your browser's address bar, remove .aspx from the path. Now press Enter, and the page is displayed without any problems. This will work with any page as long as friendly URLs is enabled. Close your browser now. And as well as enabling pages to be accessed without extensions, friendly URLs enables you to extract additional segments from a request for a page. For example, if the user navigated to /default/test, the default.aspx page would still be displayed, but with an awareness that the user entered test. Open the code behind file of default.aspx and add the following using statement to the top of the page. Using Microsoft.ASP.NET.FriendlyURLs. You learned about using lines in Lesson 6.3. Now add the following code to the page load event handler. For each string segment in page.request.getFriendlyURLSegments, response.write segment plus an HTML break tag. This code extracts any additional information from the address that was requested and displays it. View the page in your browser again, and using your browser's address bar, navigate to /default/test/friendly/URLs. Default.aspx is displayed, and the additional parts of the address are extracted by your C# code. This feature allows you to easily create friendly ways to access information. For example, you might have a customers.aspx page that allows each customer to be accessed through a friendly URL, such as /customer/customer1. Earlier versions of ASP.NET required a huge amount of code to achieve this. It's important to note that real pages always override friendly URLs. Imagine that you have the following friendly URL, default/test. This friendly URL recognizes the default.aspx page and delivers the user to default.aspx, with the rest of the path being used for information purposes only. However, if the project contained a default folder with a page called test.aspx, the user would be delivered to test.aspx instead of default.aspx. The presence of a real page always overrides friendly URLs. Close your web browser now. As well as the features you've seen in this lesson, friendly URLs also automatically checks whether the user is viewing your site on a mobile device, such as an iPad. It can then send the user to an alternative, mobile version of each page, if one exists. To create an alternative page for mobile devices, simply add mobile to its name. For example, default.mobile.aspx would create a version of default.aspx that is only displayed to mobile device users. You'll notice that a site.mobile.master page already exists. This master page will be displayed to mobile users. This was also mentioned in Lesson 12.1. There are some more advanced features of friendly URLs that allow you to define addresses without needing an underlying ASPX page. These features are covered in the Expert Skills course in this series. Close Visual Studio now. And you've now completed Lesson 12.4. Understand friendly URLs.